the 14th Kids Fun Festival. Over the 14 years, this event has been grown into the beloved tradition in our community. I'm honored to be here, join you guys. Thank you, and I would like to have a special thanks for our co-founder, Dr. Hong Sun-Wu, and our co-founder, Dr. Anita. Thanks for their continuous supporting us, and also the great sponsor. And this year, our theme is Taiwan Master Wars. And we are excited to showcase the extraordinary creativity and innovation that Taiwan is known for. So the Kids Fun Festival has always been about more than just fun and game. It's about bring all the community together to celebrate our core value of family and also the creativity and cultural exchange. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our sponsor, volunteers, and also partners who contribute to their time, resource, and also their energy to make this event possible. I would like to also welcome to our VIP guests. You honor us with your presence and make this celebration even more special. That made this 14th Kids Fun Festival a day to remember. Thank you for being here, and let the festival begin. Thank you. Thanks.
谢谢张志阳会长，是我们台湾 Cultural Support Association 的会长。从去年到今年，已经2年的时间呢，张会长真的是很用尽心思来让这个协会能够办出更好的活动。
So thank you so much once again, President Chang Ziyang, for also making this all come together and gel beautifully. We now want to welcome our first speakers from the Taipei Economic and Cultural Representative Office in San Francisco, Ming-Chi Scott Lai. Thank you. Please welcome him to the stage.
欢迎驻旧金山台北经济文化办事处的赖明琪，我们的 Director 呢，我们的赖处长来给我们致辞。欢迎赖处长。
President Zhang, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm Scott Lai, Director General of the Taipei Economic and Cultural Office in San Francisco, which represents government of ROC Taiwan. It's an honor for my wife Jennifer and myself to be here today. But in order to make sure that we will be invited again next year, I'm not going to talk too much. Just like to, on behalf of Taiwan government, to express my appreciation to Taiwanese Cultural and Sports Association for holding 2024 Kids Fun Festival, which has become one of the largest annual events in Bay Area. Since 2010, the year it was established, this event has not only provided multicultural celebration for people, but also provided the kids of all ages with activities, performance, games, and most importantly, international food. And since it is one of the largest events in Bay Area, it brings together more than 10,000 community members every year. So to be honest, this is the best opportunity to experience multicultures around the world. And in one word, this is the paradise for kids to have fun. So I hope you all enjoy it. And once again, it's an honor to be here today, and I wish the event great success and everyone a wonderful time. Thank you. Thank you very much.
谢谢赖处长，感谢赖处长跟我们的分享。
Now, thank you so much, Scott Lai, for your wonderful speech. Now we want to welcome to the stage from representing the Culture Center of TECO and Milpitas.
相信在现场的朋友可能都有机会去过南湾，在Milpitas的侨教中心。我们侨教中心的主任呢，就是庄雅淑主任哦，经常举办，在很多的场合也会陪伴我们。一块来欢迎庄雅淑主任，我们掌声欢迎雅淑主任。
Good morning, President Zhang and ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sophia Zhang. I'm the director of the Cultural Center of TECO in Milpitas. Today I'm so honored and so pleased to attend this wonderful event. On behalf of Overseas Community Affairs Council of Taiwan Government, I want to take this opportunity to thank you, the Taiwanese Culture and Sports Association, for your long-term effort in promoting the cultural exchange between Taiwan and United States. This is a wonderful event. This wonderful event get our family together to explore more about Taiwan culture. So thank you, President Zhang and your team to make this happen. Wish today's festival have a big success. 各位我们现场的侨胞朋友，大家好，我是金山湾区侨胞中心的主任庄雅淑。今天非常的开心，能够陪同赖处长跟闯夫人来参与我们第14届的国际童玩节。那我想呢，国际童玩节呢，不只向世界展现台湾，同时借由这个国际童玩节，能够让我们的所有的各族群借由这个平台，大家相互交流。所以非常感谢我们文体会所做出的贡献，也祝福我们今天的活动圆满成功。谢谢。
Thank you so much, Sophia from TECO in Milpitas. Now we have a very special guest, Dr. Anita Hong. She is the co-founder and principal advisor at Kids and Fun Festival. From my heart, I just want to say that one of my favorite quotes for Anita is that we believe that a child who has a happy childhood will become a happy adult with integrity and will contribute to the well-being of society. Please, Anita.
欢迎我们的傅红玉博士，我们可以有这个童玩节的活动这么长久的举行，真的谢谢傅红玉博士呢，他的真的是挺身来办这个活动，我们欢迎他。
I am Anita Hong. I'm a co-founder of TCSA. It stands for Taiwanese Cultural and Sports Association. Today we are so happy to sponsor the Kids and Fun Festival. And its abbreviation is KFF. This is the most important event organized by TCSA. The purpose of this festival is for the children and their parents and grandparents to have fun learning the culture of different countries. Through learning the culture of different countries, we hope that they can promote understanding and cooperation among people of diverse background, leading to peace and harmony in this world. Today we have 12 countries representing different cultural groups. And we hope that next year we'll have double that size. So we need your support. And thank you for the President Zhang Ziyang for leading a group of more than 300 volunteers to make this event a big success. I would like also to acknowledge the city of Cupertino, the mayor and her team to contribute towards this event. Special thanks to the government of the country of Taiwan for their support and encouragement. We hope you enjoy the day and learn to love and appreciate each other. God bless you. Thank you.
谢谢傅博士、傅红玉博士，真的是长期来帮助我们哈。
To Anita for your wise words and guidance. We also have some really wonderful state assembly members present. We'd like to invite to the stage Assembly Member California State Alex Lee. Give it a warm round of applause. Thank you.
欢迎我们的李天明，我们的李众议员。
Well, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting us here. My name is Assembly Member Alex Lee, proudly representing the 24th Assembly District. Just wishing the TCSA such a wonderful day. I see so many children out here celebrating outdoors in the throes of the end of summer break. as well as enjoying so many different cultural activities. So it's really great to see that and really reminds us of why the Silicon Valley is home to so many Asian Americans and growing every single year is because of diverse communities like this. And so on behalf of Assemblymember Evan Low and myself, Assemblymember Alex Lee, we are presenting a certificate of recognition to TCSA.
欢迎会长。
Good morning. My name is James Wang. I am district representative in the office of Assemblymember Low. It's a great pleasure to join today Kids and Fun Festival, and thank you for developing our culture, our diversity here in Silicon Valley. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
谢谢我们的 Alex Lee。
Welcome to our beautiful memorial park in our beautiful city of Cupertino. I am so happy to be part of this celebration, and I want to start out by introducing my fellow council members. We have Council Member Kitty Moore, and we have Council Member Liang Chow. Liang, if you could turn it out. Okay, Liang, you get one more chance to wave at all of us. That's Liang Chow, Council Member Liang Chow. Thank you so much to the organizers for putting this very elaborate event together. It's events like this that make Cupertino what it is. The diversity, the fun, the enjoyment, the music, the dance. This is what makes our city fun, and we have to thank organizations like you and the people who work so hard to put it all together. And I know it's a gorgeous day, not too hot, not too cold. So please enjoy yourselves, avail of all the, do I have to come there?
The center.
Okay, now that I've reached the right spot, I want to welcome you all again to Cupertino and beautiful Memorial Park. This is a wonderful event, one that's been going on for a long time, and I thank you all for coming. Thank you for hosting it in the city of Cupertino, and I hope you all have a wonderful day today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sheila Mohan.
是服务了非常长久的时间，欢迎黄少雄先生。
谢谢你们，我是王小生，我是可以讲普通话一点点，国语一点点，但还我不说很好。I'm American-born Chinese. My name is Gilbert Wong. My Chinese is really, really horrible, so I should have went to Mandarin school a lot better. But I'm really proud to support Anita Hong as well as Team Kids and Fun for this festival of 14 years under Kids and Fun and 5 years under Happy Kids Day. We're here because we want to celebrate our kids. I see the parking lots are full over at De Anza College. We're very happy to sponsor that, but we want to make sure that to make Cupertino a great place. So thank you for coming and enjoying yourself. 谢谢你们。
City of Sunnyvale.
You're right. I know Sheila Mohan stood here. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. This is a wonderful day and a wonderful celebration. I am Murli Srinivasan, council member of Sunnyvale. Now I am serving as vice mayor of Sunnyvale. It's truly an amazing event here. Look at the crowd and look at the kids having fun. Thanks for Taiwanese community for organizing this, and then thanks for inviting me. Enjoy rest of the event. This will be amazing celebration. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the Vice Mayor 于文珍女士、处长夫人今天一起来，他们永远都一起出现的，就是很幸福的 couple。
Let's welcome Sophia Yasuzhuang from the Director of Culture Center Teco Milpitas.
欢迎我们南湾侨教中心的庄雅淑主任能够来到现场，我们一块要来合影，欢迎主任。
Let's welcome Dr. Anita Hong back to the stage, founder of KFF and Taiwanese Culture and Sports Association.
欢迎傅红玉女士、傅红玉博士来到现场。
Let's welcome California State Assembly Member Alex Lee.
欢迎李千明，我们的众议员能再次上台。
Let's welcome also Representative Evan Low's office.
罗达伦先生的代表还在吗？
Let's also welcome California State Assembly member Ash Kalra. Also, City of Cupertino Mayor Sheila Mohan, please come to the stage.
欢迎 Cupertino 市市长Mohan 市长。
City of Sunnyvale Vice Mayor Murali Srinivasan, please welcome back to the stage.
欢迎 Sunnyvale 的副市长。
And also, City of Fremont Council member Teresa King.
那我们欢迎黄洁仪，我们的黄洁仪没有来，对不起。那要欢迎一下赵良芳女士。赵良芳女士。
And City of Cupertino Council member Liang Chao. City of Fremont Council member Teresa King.
所以欢迎赵良芳女士。
Also, De Anza College board member Gilbert Wong.
我们欢迎刚才的 Gilbert， 我们的黄少雄先生。
And also Katerina Ilgrill, Anna Wei, Jiang Yulin from the Overseas Community Affairs Council, as well as Sylvia Lee and Dong Qingfeng.
那我们要欢迎的是中华民国侨务委员会的李汉文女士，还有魏德珍女士，以及呢林正元先生呢是我们的侨务委员。
And Council Member Kitty Moore from Cupertino, please come to the stage.
同时呢，也要欢迎我们的观光署的主任李思贤李主任，以及呢还有我们教育组的主任董庆峰董主任，都同时上台。
Let's welcome also from the Overseas Community Affairs Council, Dong Qingfeng and Li Sixian. Okay.
除了我们现在现场这麻烦先帮我们记者朋友们拍一下我们这 VIP 的嘉宾们。 然后接下来还有很多的嘉宾还陆续要上台。
All right, so please let's take a picture of this marvelous crew of our civic stewards. 3, 2, 1, cheese! Okay, now we have also, we're going to start also welcoming additional supporters of KFF, including Rosemary's Accounting Solutions, CEO Rosemary Wong, to the stage. Okay.
I'm going to have the 星宇航空
Also, we welcome Starlux Airline.
Joyce Pan 可以到台上来跟我们挥挥手。
Starlux Airline Branch General Manager Joyce Pan. Okay. And also Anita Chen, congressional candidate for District 17. Please, Anita, please welcome Anita to the stage.
我们要欢迎 Anita Chen， 她是我们加州第17选区的候选人，到时候再竞选国会候选人，欢迎 Anita 能够来。
We also want to welcome Amy Wong, Mrs. Taiwan 2024.
我们2024台湾小姐，我们的大美女，
She's the founder of Dragon Hearts Foundation.
欢迎 Amy。
We also have many wonderful cultural representatives, including India Talent founder and president Kalpana Aroda.
欢迎来自于 India 的朋友。
Okay, and we have Japan Nijiko Dance School dance instructor Asusa Collins. Also, Azerbaijan Culture Society of Northern California Secretary Executive Nurlan Shukurlu.
欢迎，这是亚瑟拜江、亚瑟拜然，我们的代表。
We also have here Nordics, the Scandinavian, representing Nordics countries, the Scandinavian School and Culture Center, Pia Eriksson, Admissions and Admin Director.
这是来自于瑞典斯堪的纳维亚学校，我们的代表。
Okay, wonderful. Also, the Uzbek Community Center of San Francisco Bay Area, President Kudrat Rahimhajayev.
这是来自于乌兹别克，我们的乌兹别克代表。
Also, welcome to the stage, Barbary Coast Cloggers Artistic Director Ian Enriquez.
这是我们美国非常特别的文化，这个民俗方块舞，我们的代表。
And representing Israel today, we have Ray Mali.
来自于以色列，我们的代表。
We have from Cambodia, Dalai Lawrence.
这是 Cambodia 柬埔寨的我们的代表。
Representing France today, Alexandre Hardot.
我们法国代表在吗？法国代表。
Okay. Representing Iran today, Iran, Nabi Aldavoud.
伊朗的朋友。
Okay. From Laos, we have a representative, Sally Luang Kyo.
这是辽国，我们知道在场真的有非常国际化。
Yes. And we also want to also acknowledge Cupertino Union School Board candidate Zhang Jiaolong, Fremont Union High School Board candidate Adrian Lee, and Cupertino Union School Board candidate Lakshmi Sharma.
这些都是呢，在 Cupertino、Fremont 的这些学校，我们的 candidate 好要选学校委员的 candidate 一块来到现场。好，那就麻烦大家一块cheese，所以我们一块来讲 Taiwan cheese，1 2 3 Taiwan cheese。Please smile.
Yeah. Everyone's looking great.
It's a very special moment. We have so many VIPs here.
It really is. We have a brain trust in the house today at the 14th edition of the Kids and Fun Festival.
非常谢谢我们的嘉宾今天来到现场参加我们的国际童玩节，谢谢大家 ，Thank you so much.
Thank you so much to our VIPs present today, making this a wonderful, fun-filled family day.
Can see so international， 非常的国际哦。
Yes.
谢谢大家
Wonderful.
刚才那个伊朗的代表谢谢。好，那所以呢，我们今天前面的 ceremony 部分呢，就到这边要告一个段落了。那接下来呢，其实我们今天在现场呢有非常多的演出活动要进行，而且这也是非常国际化。大家可以看到，我们刚才来自于各地的代表们，还有他们的表演节目呢，都会在舞台上和大家来分享今天很特别的国际 ，That's why we're international 国际童玩节。
So thank you so much for being part of our opening ceremony. Now we are so excited to welcome to the stage a whole afternoon of amazing performances as you saw the wonderful international representatives that came on stage and were acknowledged. So hang around tight and let's stay tuned. Now also I'm going to welcome Jessica, our next MC, to the stage.
Right, and before that, 请大家除了今天的活动参加，明天还有一个很特别台湾办桌的活动呢，也是会在侨教中心举行，下午的5点半，也欢迎有兴趣的朋友明天就可以来一起办桌来庆祝。